So they sell this extra display for the GoPro Hero 10 that you have a display on top here. But I have my own display. So the question I have is the display in here, you know, the display up front here. The display. Oh, my dog is super upset all of a sudden. Why is my dog so upset? Lucy, come. Get over here. Lucy. Hey, come here. Come. Quick. Move it over here. Come. Go here. Sit. Stay. Don't move. Stay. You're gonna stay here. Sorry about that. So, do I have this thing on? It's on now, right? Then I click here on my screen on. Okay. There it goes. It takes a second for it to have a picture. Now I'm the GoPro thing. GoPro. Okay, so I can use the record button and the mode button here to switch stuff. So when you click the mode button, you go here and highlight the camera symbol, and then you click the record button, and then you're in the camera symbol. And now you can see that I see myself in here. So this is turned off. All the screens are turned off. Only this is on. So if I click record, then I should be recording. Do I record or not? Yeah, I'm recording, but during the recording, this thing switches to 480p. So it doesn't record in the whole, it doesn't record the whole thing. You know, in the full resolution, how it should. It doesn't. Absolutely does not. But I have a front screen now so big that I can see everything. Look at that, and it's recording me. So I don't know if that helps for you guys to see how this goes. This is the media mod for the 9. The 9 media mod. It does have HDMI out. So if you buy a shorter cable, you can go in here with the shorter cable. That'd be nicer. And then, so I have this one in here, the earphone plug. Because this screen here has a has a speaker in there, and then when you don't put this in there, the microphone and the speaker in there, they have like this feedback screening going on. But you see here, we are recording nicely. Yeah, so for somebody who wants to carry all this stuff around with, oh, then by the way, the screen here is battery powered. So the screen has its own little battery. So if you want to look more professional with your little GoPro, where Pro stands for professional, or what does it stand for? Then you have like this little TV here. Works.